How to mark a message as important on WhatsApp, starred messages. First, open WhatsApp and go to the chat where the message you want to save is located. Once you find it, press and hold on the message to select it. Several icons will appear at the top, tap the star-shaped one. At this point, the message has been marked as important. But where do you find it? To review all the starred messages, go to the WhatsApp home screen, tap the three dots at the top right, on Android, and select Starred Messages. On iPhone, go to Settings Starred Messages. There you will find the complete list of saved messages, divided by chat. You can also access the starred messages from the chat itself. Tap the name of the contact or group at the top and select Starred Messages.